Hello and welcome to Chrome Story. Today I want to show you a new feature that's coming to Google Chrome, which is built-in summarization, AI summaries for PDF files. Okay, so as the time of the recording, it's behind a experimental flag, which is available on Chrome flags page. So you just go search for PDF. You'll see PDF summarize flag. So you enable that and restart your browser. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, now I have a PDF sample PDF loaded here, and you will see this summarize with Gemini option here. So let's click that. Chrome now shares that PDF with Gemini, and it opens as a sidebar, and now you see the summary, right? So you still have all the other existing features, including downloading, printing, saving to Google Drive, and so on, right? This is a new addition. You don't have to share the PDF anywhere else and get a summary. Chrome can do that natively for you. So yeah, that's a neat feature that's going to save us some time. So give it a try and let me know.